Welcome to Global CAD Expert. Today I'm sharing something very special with you, my complete Design and Vastu Guide Book. And yes, I'm sharing this book for free. Whenever someone starts designing a home, one common question always comes up. What should be the correct size for each room? How big should the living room be? Where should the kitchen go? And how can we follow Vastu while keeping the design modern and functional? To answer all these questions, I created a practical ebook called Standard Room Dimensions and Vastu Considerations before starting a project. Inside this book, you'll find standard room sizes in both feet and meters, design tips for every space, complete Vastu guidelines, and key planning advice that I personally use in my professional projects. Let's take a quick look inside. The living room section lists both minimum and ideal sizes. For example, 12 by 16 feet is ideal for most homes. The bedroom section suggests 12 by 14 feet for a master bedroom, with practical layout and lighting tips. Then comes the Vastu chapter, a complete guide to directions and placement. It explains that the kitchen should be in the southeast, the master bedroom in the southwest, and the prayer room in the northeast. It's written in simple, easy language so that anyone can understand and apply it. I'm sharing this entire ebook for free with all my Global CAD Expert viewers. You can download it right now using the link in the video description or from the pinned comment below. Keep it on your phone or laptop and use it as a quick reference whenever you design or plan a new project. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and comment below, Design Smart, once you've downloaded your copy. Don't forget to subscribe to Global CAD Expert for more tutorials on AutoCAD, Revit, and building design.